Welcome back. Now news from sports. The National Gold Cup winning women's tennis ball cricket team and zonal champion men's team were given a warm reception at the Sports Authority of Goa on Wednesday. The men's and women's team won laurels at nationals and zonals in Jaipur, this further cementing Goa's supremacy in the sport in India. As a result, Sports Authority of Goa's Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai says tennis ball cricket could be included in Goa's edition of National Games in 2014.
The players were garlanded and congratulated by Sports Authority of Goa's officers Navin Acharya and Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai. Prabhudesai had a few words of motivation for the players.
Tennis ball cricket is one sport which has been getting number of medals for us in the last 10 years from the time, right from their inception. The tennis ball cricket and baseball are two associations which have brought more than 200 medals for Goa. And we keep calling them golden associations because they have brought lots of gold, silver and bronze medal.
But when the national games comes to Goa, the two disciplines that Goa will have to select, would baseball and tennis ball cricket be two of them?
Most certainly. There is no reason why we will not select. So we will have a word with the Indian Olympic Association. One will have to check whether the other Olympic associations of the states are interested in inclusion of this particular sport at the national games.
SAG senior tennis ball cricket coach feels that at least now the sport of tennis ball cricket will not be criticized.
फर्स्ट टाइम आमी 2 इव्हेंटाक पार्टिसिपेट केल्ले आनी 2 इव्हेंटाक कंटिन्युअसली आनी सायमल्टेनियसली खेळोन फर्स्ट प्लेस घेवप ही एक बरी गोष्ट आसा. तेतून फिटनेस आमचे गोवा टिमीचे कळटा. ही 10 वर्सांक आमी 10 वर्सां जे मोर दॅन 72 मेडल्स आमी गोवा स्टेटीक दिल्ली आसा. तितून हे मेडल्साक मोर इम्पॉर्टन्स कित्याक ह्या जे इव्हेंट जाल्लो तो इव्हेंट टोटल वर्ल्डाक लायव्ह ऑन DD स्पोर्ट्सार आसलेल्या कारणान मेजर लोकांनी पळयलो. पयलीं कितें जातालें की टेनीस बॉल म्हटल्यार क्रिटिसिजम ही जाताली. National games have the option of introducing 4 games, and since as per the schedule list of SAG, we are on the second after baseball. So if baseball is not a part of national game, since they have been included, I think surely tennis ball will be one of the game for the national game, and that will be a winning game for the state of Goa, both in men's and women's.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from Panji.
Back in the I-League after a season's relegation, Sporting Club de Goa are once again in the familiar territory. It is the pre-season time and the main agenda for technical director turned head coach Ikendra Singh is to increase the fitness levels of the players to the competitive level in the I-League. The Flaming Orange are in pre-season training at Miramar Beach under the guidance of Manipuri disciplinarian Ikendra.
Ikendra was with Sporting 2 seasons ago when Sporting were in the I-League. The A-licensed coach is very structured in nature and believes in keeping notes and following strict training regime with the players. Speaking to Prudent, he stressed on the need for enhanced fitness levels for his boys.
Now it is the pre-season, that is why I am giving much of the conditioning training as well as the endurance training also to come up with the fitness level high that I have mentioned already. And according to this planification, the 3 weeks program I had now. And this time is the second week, and the third week we'll do less football work, less strength and less fitness level training should be there. And after that I will do accordingly.
What is the level of talent you've seen in the boys? You must have seen a lot of Goan boys as well, a lot of Northeast boys. What is the level of talent you've seen?
Yeah, talent is good, and the need of the hour is to come up that fitness level. That is why I'm giving much here.
And you're happy with these boys? You think they will put up a good show in the I-League?
Of course, I feel very happy, and I got enjoyment when doing this with the players also.
What about the foreign players? Any new foreigners come in, and are you going to rely a lot on your foreigners? You're going to make sure that your Indian players and Goan players are strong?
Yeah, I think so that we also learn, we means the players of the Goa also can learn something from the foreign players also. But now 2 foreign players are here, and some will come, and after that I can see very properly, very clearly about their performance, about their level, and now we are doing only this fitness level to improve. That is why I can't say exactly what about their performances like this.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sunny Narvekar from Miramar.
Ashwin D'Souza is all set to fly to Emirates Stadium in London, the home of EPL giants Arsenal. The lead is one of 16 winners from India of the Tata Tea Jagore contest. The tall defender is grateful for such an opportunity and is confident of performing well under the watchful eyes of reserve Arsenal coaches.
Not many of us get to live our dreams of playing or other training with the clubs we all aspire to be with. So, Ashwin, first of all, how do you feel? You're going to go to Arsenal, you're going to go to England and train with those coaches there. How do you feel?
I'm very happy now because I'll get training from other English coaches, and I'm very happy. I got this opportunity because of my coaches and my parents.
So, you had gone first to Kolkata along with another boy from Goa. Tell us that experience.
Me and my friend Ellison Pereira had gone to Calcutta, and we had a very tough time practicing with the other players all over India. And I was a stopper back, and he was a centre back, and we tried our best. So he could not, I did it.
And what exactly was given there? How many days training was it? And what exactly were you all taught over there? Something new that you could share with us, your other football fans over here?
Exactly, we had 1.5 weeks over there. So I learned very new things over there. Here in Goa, no one knows it. Okay. So still, I try to learn it. No, it was just like trapping and passing with the ball. Now when you trap the ball, just look on top and pass the ball to the player accurately.
Because normally what happens when you trap the ball, you look down, I think.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what fan are you? Are you an Arsenal fan?
Actually, I'm not, but now I'm Arsenal because I got this opportunity to go to England. So I'm happy to be Arsenal fan now.
Okay. Will give you a real good opportunity to come back then to India and become maybe a very big footballer in India in one of the I-League clubs. So what have you planned? Do you want to stick with football as your full-time career?
Yeah, and nothing else. Yeah, only footballer.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sunny Narvekar from Kalangut.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.